Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. Today, I'm going to be showing you this because I recently just found out some information about it. And it is a pen and lighter Zippo set, Harley Davidson. It dates from 1990. And what was keeping me from doing a video on it was I wasn't sure if it was brass or gold plated. Well, I found out for sure that it's actually gold plated. And this information came from a friend of mine named Tom. And shout out to Tom. Thank you very much for letting me know. And he found out for sure because he's friends with Michael Grimaldi. And if you're not familiar with that name, Michael is the gentleman that wrote the book And You Thought Zippo Only Made Lighters. Both Volume 1 and Volume 2. And this specific set is featured in Volume 2 of And You Thought Zippo Only Made Lighters, listed on page 105. Tom ended up finding out from Michael that, yes, it is gold-plated. So thank you both, Tom and Michael, for letting me know for sure that this lighter is gold-plated. Lighter and pen. The lighter is really nice. It's a slim. Has the bar and shield logo. No name. It is a FVI. VI standing for 1990. And F, I believe, is June of 1990. Wonderful hinge. Gold-plated insert as well, which is GVI, which I believe is also July of 1990. The lighter was never used, so it's in really, really good shape. I ended up myself getting this one for $50, this set, off of Facebook Marketplace from somebody in a little township called Sheboygan in Wisconsin, where I live. The pen is really cool, also gold-plated. See, it says Zippo there, has the Harley bar and shield. You twist it to get the pen to come out. Pull it apart to get the insert out. I think that's what it was. And here's the pen insert, which also says Zippo Manufacturing Company, Bradford, Pennsylvania, Universal Medium. And put it back together. Yeah, I'm really happy to find out that this is gold-plated. I've been holding off making a video, like I said, because I wasn't sure if it was brass or gold-plated, and I wanted to know for sure. And to find out from a gentleman who basically wrote one of the books on Zippo is really cool to find out. This set is gold-plated. Really nice. I don't have the insert paper, which doesn't bother me. I'll find one sooner or later that has the warranty information and tells you that it's a pen set. But it's a nice little box. It obviously wasn't used very much. And I'm really happy to find out that it's gold-plated. So, here we go. Gold-plated Harley Davidson Zippo Slim pen lighter set from 1990. Not sure what they're valued at, but I figured $50 was a good price at the time when I purchased mine. And thank you again to both Michael Grimaldi and to Tom for educating me a little bit more on this lighter and let me know for sure that it is definitely gold-plated. Hope you like what you see. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.